Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Dex here. Today I'm excited to share AE like Ronaldo edit on Alight Motion. This is the same edit which got me winning the Aditya's competition. I'll share the XML file once we hit our like target. So without any more delay, let's start the video.
There is one person who stands all above them. You know nothing of the bottomless malice in the human heart. Here comes the DEX. There is one person who stands all above them. Here comes the DEX.